Hi, Dr. Susan Bodner. I know many of you are probably wondering what I meant when I said the same processes that impact our environment also impact people in climate change. Well, I'm here to explain that to you now. Come along. So let's talk about this. First, around you, families having a really nice time in the environment, in nature, being together, individuals, with each other and alone, people really appreciating what this planet has to offer. And I want this to be here for our kids and for people always, which is why I talk about these things with such urgency. When I say that the same processes that have been impacting climate change have also been impacting people, I mean the fact that we have exhausted our environment, we have wasted it, and we have not respected its boundaries. As part of the ecosystem, I think the same thing has happened to us, and it's changed who we are psychologically. We're used to being wasted. We're used to being exhausted. We're used to being overstimulated. We're used to not being respected. This is not good for our planet, and it's not good for who we are as people. And in order to be able to solve the climate change problem, one of the things we have to do is, in addition to changing our world, we have to change ourselves. And we have to be willing to live differently. We have to live like this, more in harmony with nature, even if you live in a city, even if you live in the suburbs. There's a balance, and we can find it. In a paper that I wrote for journal Psychoanalytic Dialogues, Wasted and Bombed Clinical Enactments of a Changed Relationship to Earth, I talked about how the phenomena of excess was really getting in the way of young adults being able to find themselves and being able to live in their most healthy way. I also wrote a paper about It's Snowing Less in the book Vital Signs. And it talks about the fact that it is snowing less, and people are noticing it in relationship to how exposed they've been to the outdoors. And some people don't notice at all, and some people notice and are very afraid. My message is simple. It's that if we understand ourselves as part of this ecosystem, as integrated into this land, we can change ourselves from within to no longer tolerate the violation of our boundaries, to no longer tolerate the excess, and to no longer tolerate the wasting, and to start figuring out how to live harmoniously with the planet that we're part of. Thank you.